Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Enjoying? That's nice. I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself and you are not disturbing your parents. Right? Good. Today we have Cheeky with us. Cheeky? Who is Cheeky? Cheeky is a monkey. Yes. One day, Cheeky the monkey was very happy. Hee hee! Hooray! Let's see what he is doing. Yes, Cheeky slides down on elephant's long trunk. Yippee! Hooray! It makes Cheeky very happy. Giggle! Then Cheeky plays a trick on Parrot too. He hides, then jumps out. Woo! Boo! And pretend to hide and then say boo. It makes Mittu the parrot very scared. And Cheeky is happy. Ooh, tiger! Cheeky monkey laughs at tiger. Tira tiger is very angry because Cheeky drops a banana skin down from the tree. This makes naughty monkey Cheeky giggle. Now the animals want to play a trick too. They give Cheeky monkey a flower. He sniffs. He sniffs it. And achoo! Achoo! It makes Cheeky monkey sneeze. All animals laugh. Okay. Now Cheeky monkey said, no more tricks, friends. I promise I will not do this again. Cheeky monkey realized his mistake and said sorry to them. Right? So kids, how was the story? Enjoyed? And I hope you learned a lesson that we should not disturb, we should not bother others. Yes.